Have you ever dreamed of achieving true financial independence? The kind of freedom that allows you to pursue your passions without being tied down by money worries? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to share with you the 9 key steps to help you achieve just that. Step 1. Set specific financial goals. Without a clear target in mind, it's easy to lose focus and veer off track. Take the time to map out your goals, whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring early. Step 2. Create a detailed budget. Understanding your income and expenses is crucial to taking control of your financial future. By tracking your spending habits, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Step 3. Invest wisely. Putting your money to work for you is essential in building wealth over time. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or a retirement account, make sure to diversify your investments to minimize risk. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Increase your income. Finding ways to boost your earnings, such as negotiating a higher salary, starting a side hustle, or investing in yourself through education, can help accelerate your journey to financial independence. Step 5. Eliminate debt. High-interest debt can be a major roadblock to financial freedom. Focus on paying off your debts as quickly as possible to free up more of your income for saving and investing. Step 6. Seek professional guidance. Working with a financial advisor can provide valuable insights and strategies to help you reach your financial goals faster. Don't be afraid to ask for help when you need it. Step 7. Reward yourself along the way. Celebrate your milestones and achievements, no matter how small. Treating yourself occasionally can help maintain motivation and prevent burnout on your journey to financial independence. Step 8. Plan for the future. Building a robust retirement fund is essential to ensuring a comfortable and secure future. Start saving early and regularly to take advantage of compound interest and maximize your savings potential. Step 9. Live within your means. Avoid the temptation to overspend and keep your lifestyle in check. By practicing frugality and making mindful financial decisions, you can stay on track towards achieving true financial independence. Remember, achieving financial independence is a journey that requires discipline, dedication, and commitment. By following these 9 key steps, you can pave the way to a future of financial freedom and abundance. So, what are you waiting for? Start taking control of your financial destiny today.